This guide will help you enhance the installation loop on your Steam Deck for a smoother experience. Follow these steps to optimize your setup effectively. Step 1. Prepare your Steam Deck. Ensure that your Steam Deck is fully charged and updated to the latest firmware. This will help avoid any issues during the installation process. Step 2. Backup your data. Before making any changes, back up your existing data. Use an external storage device or cloud service to save your game files and settings to prevent data loss. Step 3. Download the latest installation files. Visit the official Steam Deck website or trusted forums to download the latest installation files. Make sure to verify the integrity of the files to avoid corrupted downloads. Step 4. Create a bootable USB drive. Use a tool like Rufus or Etcher to create a bootable USB drive with the downloaded installation files. Follow the tool's instructions to ensure the drive is set up correctly. Step 5. Install and configure. Insert the bootable USB drive into your Steam Deck and boot from it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, configure your settings according to your preferences for optimal performance. Once you have completed these steps, your Steam Deck should be set up for an enhanced installation loop. Enjoy your gaming experience.